Looks like cake, but no baking required. Just 4 ingredients. In a bowl, start by adding 325 grams of condensed milk. Next, squeeze the juice from 3 lemons. Now, mix everything together thoroughly. Then add 200 grams of heavy cream and mix again. In a dish, we'll dip some Maria cookies in milk. I used 3 packs. Just layer them in a dish. Use any shape you prefer. Now spread some of our cream mixture on top. Repeat. Add soaked cookies, then cream layer. To finish, I'll sprinkle some lemon zest on top. Now just chill it in the fridge until set. Check it out, folks. This dessert looks amazing. It's super quick, easy, and delicious. Best of all, it uses very few ingredients. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. That's another quick recipe from Poplar in the Kitchen. Big hugs, see you next time, and thanks for watching.